Hello friends, welcome in my this video. In this video I'll show you how to use the image button as a how to use the image as a button in Sketchware. So let's start. I'm creating an app, image button. So here you see, so at first I may take images. Here you image view and image view. So at first I am importing some images from my phone gallery. I have imported this image. Here you go. I am importing another two images. Where are the image? I may take images from, please wait a second. Okay, I may take this image. Gray, and another image I need. I may take a white image for this. There you go. Here you go. I have taken 3 images. Now I am setting the image black, gray. So here is a problem actually. I may give the width of the images here you go. This image also need 50 and I have to up this. I have given these images to height 50 dp, height and width 50 dp. Now I am setting an image here white and giving both width and height 50 dp. Here you go, 3 images are selected. Now what I have to do, now here we can take different things. I am taking at first a linear edge and giving it match parent. Now I am giving a text viewer, giving the width match parent, giving the gravity center and giving a text here. Oh no, sorry, I am giving the text size actually 30 sp. Now what we have to do is to go to event here and go to view and tap on the plus icon. Now I am selecting 3 image views. Now when image view 1 clicked, I may give the go to view and set the text view set text. This is black. So this means when I will click on the image, when we will click on the image view 1, that means the black image, here we will see in the text view that this is black. Now on this way I am setting the image view 2 also. Set text, it must be, this is gray. Here you go. We can give many things. Now in the text view 3, image view 3, I am not giving this. I am giving another thing. Toast. This is not a color. Think of it. Think. So when we'll click on the image view 3, here there will be alert type image text that this is not a color. So these are the things. Now we can give many things. I am giving another linear edge here. Sorry, I am giving at first we should run this app. Please wait a while. Here you see the whole thing. Now I am clicking on the black button. Here you see what happens. This is black. Here this is gray, and here this is not a color. Here you see this is not a color. Now I am going to see different things, and so what we have to do is to give the when image view 1 clicked, we have to go to view and set background color. On the linear 3, set background color black, and we may toast another thing that this is black. Here you go, everything is set. Now see what happens. I am installing the app. Now see, if I click on the image view 1, what happens? Here you see everything what we wanted. So these are the facts. You can give anything on the image view 1 click. You can give check boxes, you can give web views, you can give calendar view, you can give switch, seek bar, text, edit text, anything you want to do. And you will be glad to know that in my playlist I have given many of these tutorials how to set this. You may understand easily by watching this video. So thank you. You can subscribe my channel to get outstanding tutorials of Sketchware. Thank you.